So, dito tayo sa Singapore, Changi Airport. Ito si Changi. Changi ng bayan. Ito. Saan ba tayo? Dito ba tayo? Stop lounge to eh.
Lounge to lounge. Lounge.
Baba ba tayo dito? Hindi. Tanong tayo. Nalulos na po itong dalawang to. Maghahanap ng bus na punta sa stop lounge. We need to ask. Ito yata. Saan ang puntang Changi ng bayan? Washroom to eh. Drinking water. Baka nauhaw ka. Cosmetic interview. C21 ito naliligaw na kami ni madam. Bili ka muna dyan, bili
Wala, ayaw pala
bili. Hindi kami makabili, ayaw punta ng Kuwait dinar. Hindi siya pwede, Kuwait dinar. So souvenir. Yeah, souvenir. Oh, tayo dito pala Tiger Balm, oh. Singapore na. Tiger Balm, tayo koi fish, mga ano, Lucky Charm. Diba? May sili pa. Ano yan? Yeah. Singapore. We can buy maybe. We can accept. The channel. Hi. Ano ba yung sa atin yung PNB? Visa naman yata yan eh. Baka pwede yun. Check natin. We can pay the visa.
Pwede ba sa'yo?
Can
we try?
We try the visa.
Just check.
Because we have Kuwait dinar, they not change the money. So they change. They don't accept. But maybe we can try the visa this one. How much? Maybe.
Yeah, we just try.
So we can try. Diba yung ano, sunod mo?
Try to get some.
Okay. We are in the souvenir shop now here. So let's see my password. Ito, nasa akin yung password.
Sige.
Sige.
Natin pambayad.
Try ka kumuha. Pick up ng magandang Singapore souvenir. This is mami. Quality. Ano pang sabit? Wala lifing. Ladies and gentlemen, you are now this Changi. Ayan. Yan nice.
Ang ganda. Ito, syempre ito ganito.
Ito maganda.
Ito sila kilala, yung ganyan layo.
Ito nga. Tsaka yung layo, tsaka ito.
Tsaka itong Marina Base.
Ayan.
Diyan sila kilala.
Kaya kilala sila dyan. Okay.
Saan sila kilala?
Alright. So take this too. Enough too? We try to pay our PNB Mastercard. Sana tanggapin. Singapore. Ayun o. Si madam o. Abala na o. Ito mami o. Yung lion. Ha? Ano. Yung sa counter. Try the counter. Ako nga lang kukuha na eh. Yeah, abot.
Sa'yo yun. Sige na. Yeah, one more. One more. I will take one more, huh? This one is okay.
Make sure it's working.
Thank you.
It's work. Let's eat. Let's
This
buy
is?
let's eat. It's work. It's work. Yung aking PNB nag-work. OMG.
Ayan na, ayos ah. Yay!
So we can eat now. Yeah, accept.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Ito na. Okay na
So,
yung card mo ah.
Gumagana tong card ko. Wawahaldas tayo ngayon dito.
Loko. So nakabili na siya ng fridge magnet.
Sabi ka Prisma sa...
Kung alam natin, nakabili sana tayo sa Qatar ng ano, no?
We can buy
O,
alcohol
diba?
yan, ah.
Ha?
Alcohol?
Enough na yan. Huwag na.
Wala.
Doon
Wala
na.
tayong oras para na.
Wala na tayong oras. Tara na. Let's go, let's go.
Ang airport na to. So, ang card ko gumana.
Pagkain niya, native delicacy sila pala. Ay, prawn fritters. Prawn fritters. Oh. At saka yung ano, yung salted ano.
Lika, para makita mo. Singapore eh.
Oo nga, no. Asan pa yung ibang ano? Meron din. What is that here? There's a chili crab paste, so chili crab paste. Chili crab paste.
So, one box.
Chili crab paste. They have mooncake. Mooncake ba to? Ha? No?
Because it's not in the season.
Ah, I see. How much is one?
Only in Singapore. The okay will be 55. The okay set will be
55. Gusto mo, may tip pa tayo. Maybe next time dear, we still have tea also. Maybe next time. Thank you.
So, this one?
Ayan, what is this? Crab. This one, no? Crab, bake, pepper, black, ano yan?
Ano ba
Black pepper.
The food
Crab.
or... Is
No,
this
it is
food or
a paste.
paste?
Yeah, it's a select seasoning, no? Already. It's mixed.
Black pepper,
Right?
crab paste. Okay. You want to try? Okay, well.
Try that one.
I'll get one also. What?
Yes. Singapore. Singapore McD, oh.
Okay.
Siya.
So I got the tea.
Singapore McD. Singapore McD.
Oh, Mag, yes.
18.
Okay.
Cute. Black and white, isa lang. Isang black, isang white. Pili ka di. Anong gusto mo?
Ano na, video ka.
Black tsaka white, no?
Ano na po siya. Pagbili dito sa Singapore. Ngayon lang kami nakarating sa Singapore. First time we landing here in Singapore. So my madam now is one black, one white. Yes, enough. Alright. Enough. So I have tea. Ang ganda ng tea. Tea and t-shirt Singapore. Yeah.
Buy two, get one.
Yeah. Singapore t-shirt namin. Put it there. Singapore t-shirt. Singapore. You have internet? Like
8KD isa.
8KD isa?
But if you will buy two, you will get one.
Ah, okay.
So you will buy 35 or 70, right? So 8KD isa. Pwede na, no?
Oh,
Na 8KD lip. Pwede na.
Libis, maging 4KD lang. Okay, buy 4.
Buy to get one, no? Buy to get one.
How about Kendra, no? You want buy to Kendra? You, me, Kurt.
Malit naman siya eh.
Dalawa lang tayo, dalawa lang?
Hindi, buy to get one.
Oh, sige.
So which one, Daddy? You choose. You have big sizes?
You can look at here now. Big size for you.
Ah, the design is there. Ah, yeah. Much better. For me, design is nice. It's like engraved, no?
If you wash,
Ah, the problem is because this one like this, Leo. O kaya ito. This one din like this one. One XL. Can we see the XL? XL of this and this.
We don't have XL with this. We only have small size.
large.
Oh.
Finish already.
Oh,
Only
Huh?
like S.
no size for that.
No big sizes. Which design you have big sizes?
What size you want?
Nakarami kami nabili dito sa Singapore. Yari, iyak ang card ko nito. Ito, meron ko. I buy a tea. Singapore, passion fruit, peach, wish, wow. Fruity, fruity ito. Merong black pepper, crab sauce, paste. This one.
For Pili, more.
So may bread magnet, pero siya nabiling NG prawn fritters.
That's why this one is so better than this. It's like unisex, no? Daddy, ito na lang.
Okay, bye.
Kasi unisex.
Kay Kendra siya maliit.
Hindi na meron akong damit kay Kendra.
Para tayo, lahat tayo may Singapore.
Kay Brian. Ay, kay Kendra maliit.
Oo. Yeah,
Nakasya sa kanya?
yeah, kasya sa kanya.
For like 10 years old.
So big?
No, so I think it's small. She's tall already. No?
Yeah, okay na.
Can I try medium here?
Small only, mami. It's too big.
Ha?
Ang laki. Yes.
Adult man, it's not for kids.
It's for adult, yeah.
Okay.
Should
So
be
this
extra
one.
small.
One of these, then we have this one already. Design, no?
Here. No, I have no design like
So
that.
one large of this, then one more, no? Then one large of this.
Sabi siya, Brian Libre.
Mm. One large of this. One large. That is safe for all.
So we buy how many t-shirt now? Ayun na, nakakita naman siya ng bag.
How much is
Use your card.
ba?
Okay, all of this, yeah.
How much?
$39.90.
Singapore. Hop, our 4 o'clock tayo, 4 o'clock. We have to walk very far. We need to transfer the bus. Let's go, let's go. Enough. Bili mo? Gusto mo?
Hindi na.
Ayaw mo na? Okay.
Okay.
Let's buy this one. Here. Here. Let's go. Yeah. Baka gusto mo type mo. Dali.
KKD nga eh.
I-type mo na. Para meron kang ganyan Singapore. Mas type ko ito.
Ito?
That's it. You can all
Ayun.
put here.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, dear. Thank you, dear. Can I have one of these? This one.
We buy all these souvenirs and we buy a lot. Wow, 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 wow. All the is up for good luck. Yes. Snake, gold, egg. I don't know those. You know that the Chinese are a lot of mga bilid. Ayan ha. Yes. My card. My card. Card na lang.
Yan na, parang okay. So here's all this stuff.
Oh. Sabi niya souvenir lang eh, pero ang daming pinamili oh. Look at my madam mo. Souvenir, guys. Kami next.
This one will be 60
And what is this? Bond.
Your boarding pass.
Ah, boarding pass.
My.
Boarding pass, sabi.
你上面没有了吗？来 thank you.
So, iyak na kay PNB. One more scratch.
Then we have to run.
Hmm?
We have to run.
Yes. May bag sa Singapore. Maganda ka eh.
好漂亮。 So total 6 items. So Singapore dollar will be $180. Okay, keep your card.
Accepted.
We go to see, ano na.
May visa siya. Mastercard. PNB. Gumana sa Singapore. PNB. Okay, sa Singapore. Ayaw pa ito yung aming pwede na. Ayaw pa ito na pwede na namin. So, yung card, we can make it. Alright.
Okay, man.
So this one, reach on destination first. You need this one. And this one, the receipt. Like you go, you can buy Hello Kitty, see whether you all want to buy soft toy. And this one, you spend other shop $60, discount $5. Any shop.
So, isa discount here.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, this one is Hello Kitty. This one discount $5.
Thank you, dear.
Hello Kitty mint spray.
Maybe.
Thank you.
Thank you, dear.
Good
Thank
day.
you.
See you later.
So we got started now. Let's run. Thank you. Let's run for that. Let's go, let's run. at lobat na pala itong aking... Ayan. So ito na, nakita na yung mag-ina, oh. Wow, haram, habibi. Ano nangyayari sa brasong yan? Hinahakot ni Kuya Kurt. Yan na. Hinahakot niya yung mga bagahe. Ito. Yan, hinahakot. Alak na kaya, alak. Ito laban to, alak. Ito ay alak. Alak to, alak. Yan. Pag bumili ka ng ng chibas, meron na kayo chibas na bag yan, chibas. Chibas na bag. Chibas saka 2 Valentines. Tapos ito na yung hinanda. Lumalabas na yung mga kasama. Ito na nagluto. Yes. Yan o. So namamatay na siya dahil lobat na. Yan o. Niluto pala ni Kuya Ninong Ray ang tatawag na ayan o. Nako, na-miss namin yan. Ano pa?